Hello guys, it's me Anlon Master, and today we're playing some more Roblox. Now we are trying to get the eggs. Oh my god, this is quick. So yeah. So there's a specific map we need to get for this one, and once we get it, we will be gold. Okay, taking that map. Take that path. Take this. We're gonna. Oh, okay. There's end zone, but I freaking died. And finally beat one. Apparently only one who beat it. That's kind of sick. So after this one, if we can get the egg, which is kind of hard for me because I'm bad at speedrun games, but that was the first one I won. This is take two for me because the other one I died on the map, and I'm like, yeah, it's been 10 minutes, so I don't want to bore you guys. So yeah, we're doing take two. If we lose this one, if we get this one, then we have spare time. We're going to epic minigame. That depends, you know. So hard to see. Gotta let my speedrun 4 experience take over. Oh, damn. Damn, my speedrun 4 experience is actually finally kicking in. Maybe we can get the egg. You never know. The egg's kind of tough. I saw how it runs. First and second place. That's not so bad. I'm gonna be so cocky when the thing comes out. That's for sure. There's 132 tickets. You never know. I may use it for the egg hunt map because I was pretty bad with it when I first did it. But you never know. Now he gets the end result. How many more people did I do it? It's just this dude. Alright. Should be the only map so I know when I don't got it. It's gonna be tough if I have to use my map. Damn. I actually enjoy that game. Yeah, this is Haste. Agents, the egg trick time capsule has fallen into the wrong hands, and we need you to get it back. Basically, go through the stage while getting the thing. Pretty self-explanatory. I chose my map. Damn it. I didn't think about this one. Oh my god, I almost fell. Oh man. Can't even. I did not run up like that. Okay. Trying to get that checkpoint. Whatever. What's next on the list? Yeah, we gotta do haste. Haste, that's the map. This is the map right here. don't have 200, so I can't buy more lives. So yeah, I wish I could, but oh well. Now, so I'm gonna take this one slowly. Alright, and there we go. There we go. Okay, let's see. This one looks like a run up. Checkpoint. Perfect. How do I ever do this one? So we do that, then we go right here. Okay. Okay, I guess I'm doing it. Then we go for the next checkpoint. Now we need to get that egg somehow. Because I still have 2 lives, so I can go risk it all. There, we got the egg. Now run up and try not to die. Freaking heck. Get the egg. Run up. Skip those 2. Get hit. And I ran out of time. Got me way too excited. Oh, there's another haste. Perfect. Two hastes in a row. Yeah. Oh, my heart's gonna be a whole different thing, bro. So I'm literally trying to beat this map, but it's like a speedrun map, right? So I gotta go fast or slow, but if I go too slow, then I lose time. If I go too fast, then I lose lives. Hold up. Oh. No lives lost in the making of this video. Oh no! Wow, I did not lose. Okay, we want to go through that checkpoint. Okay, perfect. Go through it with 3 lives remaining. Okay, got it. Then we do that. Then you go through that. We rely on my shaky hands. Oh. I went way too fast. Get the egg, Yes, we got the egg. Alright. Now on to the epic mini games. Oh, that got my heart racing. Telling you, speedrun games are so not good for your heart. You're just on edge the whole time. I love, bro. Oh, I did a take one, right? Failed every map. Did a take two. Completed two maps, right? Then lost one, then won one. That was a good home record. So for this one, you just gotta win the map. Oh, and guess what? The map was playing when I was not here. Yay. What luck. It's a Juggernaut thing, so I know it was playing. Well, bad things happen. No, that sucks. They're on. Alright. So I don't look even hard. I don't look remotely hard. Oh, you're supposed to attack the green, I guess. Okay. This corner seems safe. I don't think that was an intention. that went pretty quick. He was not hard. I do have enough Robux to change the map, but why waste my valuable 10 Robux for something like this? It's an Easter egg. You should see an Easter bunny if there was a event. So yeah.